Have you been pwned? In this video, we'll look at what that is and how to tell if you have been. Brought to you by mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Head on over to mysites.guru, get a free site audit for it. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 262 here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. I also work on Joomla sites, build them, maintain them, migrate them. So if you're looking to hire someone short-term or long-term, or even just to get you out of a spot, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and let's talk. And also, a big shout out to Allison Meeks. Did you share this on Facebook? I thought it'd make a great video. So let's turn our attention to the screen and check it out. All right, pwned is a gaming term that refers to getting owned. And as you can read in this FAQ on this page here, haveibeenpwned.com, basically it means you've been controlled, you've been dominated, you have lost beyond your control. And how it works in reference to what we're talking about today is to check to see if the email address that you use has been exposed in a data breach, username and passwords. And so all you have to do is go to haveibeenpwned.com and enter in your email address. All right, so here's the page. I've got tim@cybersalt.com. I click here and we check and see if that has ever been in a breach. No, as far as Have I Been Pwned knows, that has never been exposed in a data breach. So let's try another one of my emails, my personal Gmail address, cybersalt@gmail.com. Oh, it's red. That's never good. And we can see that it has been pwned in 7 data breaches, found 4 pastes, and then you can, well, we can just scroll down and see. So look, back in May 2019, I had this email address in a Canva account, and Canva had a data breach. You can read about all that stuff there. So cool tip here, if you have clients or if you have friends, you can always put whatever their email address is in here and check and see. Your client might just appreciate knowing that their email address and perhaps their password has been shared. Now, what do you do if you've been pwned? Well, you can use a password tool that will remember your passwords. In fact, that makes it easier to set a different password for every site you log into. I've got some sites, I don't even know what the password is because I just create it in the password creator for that tool. Create the account, and then I just always use the password tool to fill in the password. Now, to be fair, the password manager that sponsors Have I Been Pwned is 1password.com. So go ahead and check that out. All these links will be in the video below and see what they're offering. My company and my team, we use Bitwarden. So you might want to check that out. Anyways, it's important to make sure to see if you've been pwned, because if you have been pwned, there's risks that someone can log into your website if they somehow figure out what your password is. Subscribe for more videos. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.